Hi. Before we get into the 5 steps of how to let your guard down, it is important to understand why letting your guard down is a significant factor on the path of you becoming your best you. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one every Wednesday. If you like this video, please be sure to push that like button, share it with a friend, and have them join us on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you. By the way, have you downloaded your free positive affirmation screensaver? Click the link below for your free download and let us help you have better days every day. So why is letting your guard down something significant? Well, as the saying goes, you get back what you put in and you reap what you sow. If you are completely reserved as a person, you can expect others to reciprocate the same energy towards you in various ways. To become more intimate with the world around you, letting your guard down is essential. The world has much more to offer than you think, and this process will help you appreciate this new reality. There are people and situations that are waiting to be discovered, and they will only become visible to you by letting your guard down. Letting your guard down is allowing yourself to be vulnerable in order to feel and experience life in its true essence. Letting your guard down thus becomes a trust in life and the universe that you will become exactly who you are meant to be. So without further ado, here are the steps on how to let your guard down. Step 1. Listen to understand. Always listen with intention. Be attentive when communicating with people and always listen to subtle signs presented within your reality. When communicating with someone, always give yourself completely to that experience. Maintaining eye contact and an attentive body posture will help you achieve this. Listening is more than an action. To listen is a mental state, and to understand is a spiritual shift. Open your mind and heart to the idea of positive progression on the path of you becoming your best you. Keep in mind that listening to the signs of life can bring you to places that you have yet to imagine. Be open to explore. Step 2. Let go. Always enter a new situation with a clean slate, which means exclude past experience and what you think you know, and open yourself to the present experience, which is something you have yet to discover. Let go of preconceived notions of a person because of how they look, sound, or how they appear. Allow the universe to take part in the narration of your life by letting go of your attempts to control everything. Let go of what you think you know and allow yourself to become known. Step 3. Be open. Letting your guard down is possible when you are open to ideas different than your own. Sometimes you feel that things should happen in a specific way or method, but it is crucial to accept that not everyone communicates the way that you do. Realize that everyone feels and experiences emotions, but not everyone expresses how they feel the way you understand that feeling. For example, the way you experience frustration could be that you become completely silent and refuse to speak to anyone. Yet, someone could perceive that you not speaking to them means that you dislike them, because the way that they express and relieve frustration is through communication with others. The way people interpret feelings can be completely different than the way that you do. Be aware that everyone can progress to become the best version of themselves. Be open to how people interpret their emotions, and always remember to not take things personal. Step 4. Always love. Your energy introduces you before you even introduce yourself. Always allow love to be a part of the conversation when communicating on any level. The way you feel and how other people feel about you has very little to do with what you say, but a lot to do with how they feel about what you said. The presence of love is the absence of fear. Spreading love and positive energy encourages people to be more open with you. So when letting your guard down, it is important to remember to always love. Step 5. Be patient. Be patient with yourself and with others. Not everyone is progressing at the same pace, and not everyone understands things the same way that you do. Always remember to be patient with yourself and with others. This will help you dramatically with letting your guard down, because it is accepting that people can be very different than you, and it shows your willingness to let that difference not be something that separates you. A little patience can take you a very long way. So that's it, people. Those are the 5 steps in how to let your guard down and start moving forward today. Post a comment below and let people know how letting your guard down helped you. Like and share this video. And remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.